Monitor lizards are large-sized lizards that belong to the genus Varanus and are native to Africa, Asia, Oceania, and Americas. Watch the video to find out more about them. Varanus. Although normally solitary, groups as large as 25 individual monitor lizards are common in ecosystems that have limited water resources. The name may have been suggested by the occasional habit of varanids to stand on their two hind legs and appear to monitor, or perhaps from their supposed habit of warning persons of the approach of venomous animals. The family Varanidae probably originated in Asia at least 65 million years ago. Although some estimates are as early as the late Mesozoic, monitor lizards probably expanded their geographic range into Africa between 49 and 33 million years ago. About 80 species are recognized under genus Varanus. In Africa, the Nile monitor is found as an aquatic species. In the southern part of Asia, the Bengal monitors are found. The Bengal monitor is also found in Iran and Afghanistan to Java in Indonesia. The various species cover a vast area, occurring through Africa, the Indian subcontinent, to China, the Ryukyu Islands in southern Japan, south to Southeast Asia, to Thailand, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia and Philippines, New Guinea, Australia and islands of the Indian Ocean and the southern China Sea. The West African Nile monitor is now found in South Florida and in Singapore. Monitor lizards also occurred in Europe in the Neogene, with the last known remains dating in the Middle Pleistocene. Their size ranges from 6 to 20 inches depending upon the species. Monitor lizards are known for their massive body size and powerful legs. Most species of monitor lizards have strong claws in their feet. All the largest monitor lizards can climb trees well. Their tails are powerful and long. The monitor lizard tail size is twice as long as their body size. They grow throughout their lifespan, so the largest one is the oldest one. They also have long tongues, which have a bifurcated tip that is highly sensitive to smell. The tongue can pick the smell of chemicals and then retract them into the mouth. With the smell, they analyze using their organ on the roof of their mouth. Some species of monitors can count. Most monitor lizards are carnivorous, eating eggs, smaller reptiles, fish, birds, insects and small mammals. Some also eat fruit and vegetation, depending on where they live. Most species feed on invertebrates as juveniles and shift to feeding on vertebrates as adults. In contrast, 3 arboreal species from the Philippines are primarily fruit eaters. But for all other type of monitor lizards, especially the young ones, prey on other type of lizards, snakes, fishes, large birds and big cats. The survey mentioned above also found various uncontrolled activities causing threat to monitor lizards in India. The study found that these lizards were used to extract oil for medicines to cure body ailments, make musical instruments, and arrange meat for food. Their population was also threatened in some places due to the notion that they were poisonous, consequently leading to their death. Their skin was also targeted by hunters for illegal export through border countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, and Pakistan. The vast majority of monitor lizards are solitary creatures and patrol their territories. Most territories are relatively large, and the lizards choose them based on how much food they can find and how close they are to prospective mates. These reptiles alternate their time between basking in the sun and searching for prey. Some species are nocturnal and active at night, and some species are diurnal and active during the day. All species of monitor lizards lay eggs, which make them oviparous. Even within a single species, the incubation time varies based on the temperature of the eggs. When the young hatch, they are fully independent and begin to hunt on their own. Most young monitor lizards live in trees and eat insects, and they begin to eat larger prey as they grow larger. The number of eggs in a clutch varies based on the species. Some lay only a handful of eggs, while others lay well over 20 or 30. They live up to 8 to 30 years. According to IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, most of the monitor lizard species fall in the category of least concern, but the population is decreasing globally. All but 5 species of monitor lizards are classified as species that are not necessarily threatened with extinction. In many states, it is not illegal to own an earless monitor lizard. However, it often requires a special permit. Even if someone is able to get the permit, taking care of the monitor can be quite hazardous.